If the ability to give yourself a muscle pummeling massage sounds appealing, a massage gun might be for you. These devices promise to amp up a home massage and soothe your body by melting away knots, increasing circulation, decreasing muscle pain and soreness, and reducing inflammation, among other claims. There are many products available to choose from. Best hand massager gun, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a perfect decision. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hand massager gun from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dark Iron Muscle Percussion Massager Gun. The Dark Iron Massager has a sleek look and comes with a modern traveling case. It's manufactured with plastic and carbon fiber, and there's also a little case that holds all of the attachments. The Dark Iron Massage Gun also comes with extra rubber gaskets for the attachments. After some use, the attachments will wear out, and the inclusion of replacements by the company is admirable. Not only do you have all you need to replace the attachments, but it only takes a minute or two to replace them. At the top, there's a power indicator which can be seen by the green bars. A timer is located in the center of the screen, with a battery charge icon right above it. Beside the first icon, there's the applied pressure indicator, which is depicted by the dots underneath the timer. Red bars below the screen depict the speed indicators. The Dark Iron Budget Massage Gun is the perfect size for a full-sized massage gun. It isn't as bulky as the original one because of the shorter handle. Despite its convenient size, this most likely isn't the greatest setup if you're aiming for an ergonomic design. The handle can cause wrist discomfort if you're undertaking lengthy massage sessions, since it's a 90-degree T-shaped handle. The handle shape may cause discomfort after prolonged periods of use. This is particularly when the gadget's high-quality brushless motor bears the brunt of the weight. Number 2. Muscle Massage Gun Deep Tissue Percussion Massager. This massage gun from Watton is one of the more popular massage guns under this brand, and it comes as a cordless electrical device aimed at relieving aches, pains, and soreness across various muscle groups and harder-to-reach areas. The harder-to-reach areas, such as your shoulders, necks, feet, and backs of your legs, can be targeted using the specified applicator heads, which come in the portable case. For the noise levels, it is more or less in line with other massage guns, and it will vary from 30 dBA to 50 dBA, depending on the speed levels you are using at the time, which equates roughly to the same level as regular speech. You get a great selection of 20 speed levels to choose from that provide approx. 1200 RPM up to 3300 RPM. For the highest deep tissue massage, it aims to speed up the recovery of sore muscles, increase the levels of blood flow to the specified areas, and deal with tighter and flexible muscles to get you back on track for your next training session. It can be used by both athletes and non-athletes, and it is proven to be very useful when it comes to shoulder, back, and leg muscle aches. This in turn helps your mobility to get you on your day and get you back to your normal self once again. Number 3. Teloko Muscle Massage Gun. The cordless massage gun comes with a USB cable, as well as a carrying case to keep the different heads organized. At 1.8 pounds, this lightweight gun also has a non-slip, silicone grip, and an easy-to-read LED display to help make solo use more convenient. Currently, the Teloko Percussion Massage Gun has over 30,000 5-star ratings, and fans just can't seem to stop raving about it. One reviewer shared that they wish they got this massage gun sooner. I bought this at the recommendation of my physical therapist. I really do wish I had purchased this way sooner. It was very easy to use, easy to assemble, and zips right back into the carrying case for storage, they wrote. This is a great purchase, and one I'd highly recommend for anyone needing some muscle pain relief or just general relaxation. Another user described it as a must-have and perfect gift to yourself in their 5-star review. I recently bought this massage gun, and by far it's the best product available in the market. It really helps with my stiff muscles. Found it very useful for my shoulder muscles after heavy weight lifting, the reviewer shared. The best thing is you can use it yourself without any help from others, and the battery life is also up to the mark as mentioned. It comes with an easy-to-carry case and many different massage heads for almost all body parts. Totally recommend it to friends. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products. as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.